Good evening, everyone. Here's the day-end market roundup for the Colombo Stock Exchange on August 25 of 2025, brought to you by Sinfin Securities. Today, the all-share price index closed at 20,575.59 points, showing a decrease of 0.36% or 73.61 points. This upward movement reflects overall negative market sentiment across most sectors. Moving on to the S&P SL20 index, it closed at 6,042.51 points, decreased 0.78% or 47.33 points. Looking at overall market activity, the total market capitalization stood at 7,240.74 billion rupees, highlighting the strong value of listed companies. The total market turnover for the day was 4.41 billion rupees, showing healthy trading levels. Additionally, total crossings amounted to 2.46 billion rupees, suggesting active institutional and negotiated trades. Among the companies that recorded the highest turnover today were Hatton National Bank plc and EB Creasy and Company plc, highlighting continued investor interest in the banking and capital goods sector. Domestic investors dominated total market purchases, accounting for 4,268.22 million rupees, which represents about 97% of total buying activity. Foreign purchases stood at 137.79 million rupees, contributing the remaining 3%. On the sales side, domestic investors recorded sales of 3 for 67.00 million rupees, making up a significant 79% of total market sales. Foreign sales were relatively subdued at 939.02 million rupees, representing just 21%. Here are the top gainers of the day. Renuka Foods plc saw a gain of 1.70, representing a 9.77% increase. Ceylon Hotels Corporation plc was up by 3.10, a 9.14% gain. Renuka Hotels plc increased by 19.50, a 8.77% rise. Renuka Foods plc gained 1.20, a 8.11% increase. Alpha Fire Services plc closed by 2.30, a 7.96% gain. Conversely, here are the top losers of the day. SMB Finance plc non-voting saw a decrease of 0.10, a 25% drop. Amana Takaful Life plc was down by 6.40, a 10% decline. Renuka Holdings non-voting plc fell by 1.90, a 8.26% loss. Muller & Phipps, Ceylon, plc decreased by 0.10, a 6.25% drop. Janashakti Finance plc was down by 3, a 5.66% decline. Now let's look at the top positive contributors to the ASPI for the day. Starting with Selinco Holdings plc, which provided a significant boost to the index, reflecting positive investor sentiment in the insurance sector. CT Holdings plc also contributed strongly, underlining continued confidence in the food and staples retailing index on the back of healthy trading volumes. Browns Investments plc supported the ASPI's overall stability today, with buying interest seen across capital goods. Finally, Ceylon Investment plc also contributed positively to the index's movement. Finally, let's take a look at the top negative contributors to the all-share price index for the day. Hatton National Bank plc was among the main stocks pulling the index lower, reflecting cautious trading around the banking sector. John Keells Holdings plc also weighed on the index. Commercial Bank of Ceylon added further pressure, with declines in the stock impacting overall market direction. Haley's plc and Cargill's Ceylon plc closed lower, rounding off the list of key stocks that contributed to today's downturn. These movements together shaped the softer close we saw in the broader market. Thank you.